Yo, what's up everybody? It's History and we're back again with another video. Have you ever wondered what a VPN is and why it seems like everyone and their grandma is using one these days? Well, in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about VPNs, what they are, how they work, and why you might actually need one. Alright, so first things first, what exactly a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet. Think of it like this. Imagine the internet as a busy highway, and you're cruising along in your car. A VPN is like entering a private tunnel. While you're in this tunnel, nobody can see who you are, where you're going, or what's in your car. That's because a VPN encrypts your data, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop around. So instead of connecting directly to a website, you first connect to a VPN server, and then that server accesses the website on your behalf. This means your actual IP address is hidden, and the website only sees the IP address of the VPN server. Now you might be thinking, why do I even need to hide my online activity? I'm not doing anything wrong. But here's the thing. Every time you connect to the internet, your internet service provider or ISP can see everything you do. They know what websites you visit, what you search for, and even how long you spend on each page. Your ISP can legally sell this information to advertisers who then use it to target you with personalized ads. So even if you're not doing anything shady online, it's still your data and you should have the right to keep it private. Chapter 3. The VPN advantage more than just privacy. VPNs offer a whole bunch of other benefits as well. For starters, remember how we talked about hiding your IP address? This also means you can bypass those annoying geographical restrictions. Ever tried to watch a show online only to be met with a message saying, "This content is not available in your region"? A VPN can help you bypass those restrictions by making it seem like you're browsing from a different location. Plus, a VPN is a must-have if you're connecting to public Wi-Fi networks like at a coffee shop or airport. These networks are often unsecured, but with a VPN, your data is encrypted, adding an extra layer of security. Free versus paid. Choosing the right VPN for you. When it comes to choosing a VPN, you'll find two main options: free VPNs and paid VPNs. Free VPNs might seem tempting, but they often come with limitations, like slower speeds, data caps, and a limited number of server locations. Plus, some free VPNs have been caught logging user data and even selling it to third parties, which defeats the whole purpose of using a VPN. Paid VPNs, on the other hand, generally offer faster speeds, unlimited data, and a wider selection of server locations. Most importantly, reputable paid VPNs have strict no-logging policies, meaning they don't track or store your browsing activity. So if you're serious about online privacy and security, investing in a paid VPN is definitely worth considering. Stay safe, stay private. See you in the next one. So there you have it, guys. A crash course on VPNs and why they're becoming increasingly important in today's digital world. Remember, protecting your online privacy is crucial, and a VPN is one of the best tools you can have in your arsenal. If you're ready to step up your privacy game and take control of your data, I've included a link to a VPN service I personally recommend in the description below. Be sure to check it out. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.